feet.
No feet. Hey, I remember back in the day, you used to ride the bike. Like, look, Ma, no hands. And the handlebar just locked in, just going on down the road. Now, years later, it's still no hands. You know.
So talk to us a little bit about the autopilot function in the Tesla.
Yeah, so there are 6 cameras that, well, I'm gonna say 7 because there's an interior camera, and there's 2 cameras on each side, one in the front, one in the back, and it sees everything. I mean, as you can see, it's mapping out everything, right? So it's controlling your speed, your distance. If something were to kind of jump out or the car slam on brakes, it would engage the brakes for us. So if we get to a stoplight, it's gonna stop. And if we need to make a right turn, it's gonna make a right turn. And even if we needed to change lanes, if this car started going very, very slow, it would change lanes for us. So let me go up to a little bit closer. See?
Wow.
Yeah. So it changed the lanes for us because, like, hey, that car is right there. So you need to get over. So it got over for us. I didn't do a thing, right?
Nothing.
And this is what I always tell people. If you're ever going to have a medical emergency in a vehicle, this would be the one.
It would.
Because it would come to a complete stop. If you wasn't responding to the beep, 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 you know, because the camera's watching me pay attention, it would literally come to a complete stop.
Never thought about that, bro.
Yeah.
Well, it's probably the safest vehicle on the road right now.
Oh, it is. It is. I mean, it has the top safety rating as far as crash tests and all that stuff, man. And then the Model Y specifically is the #1 selling car in the world. Think about all the cars that have been selling over the years, Toyotas and Hondas, and now the Model Y has surpassed every car in the world as the #1 selling car in the whole world. That's crazy to me.
Wow.
In 1 mile.
And the Model Y came out in 2020.
Yeah.
It came out in
Brand new
2020.
platform. Yep.
And think about it, everybody doesn't have an electric car.
No.
And everybody can't get into the electric car market. So at this price point, for it to be the #1 selling car in the world, it's got to be a reason, man.
Yeah.
It's a good car.
Yep.
They're not going to send me $1 for saying what I just said. I'm just stating facts. As a Tesla owner since 2021, and this is my 4th Tesla, man, they work. They work. I got my gas costs. I got my C8. You know, we slide in that. You know, it's America. You can choose what you want to drive. You know, you're not going to be forced to drive an EV or forced to only drive this, you know, a hybrid or something. Like, nah, it's America, man. You can choose to drive a hybrid. You can choose to drive an EV. You can choose to drive a gas guzzler.
Yep.
You know what I'm saying? Diesel. It's America. You can choose to drive what you want. I like both. I like a good V8. And one day I'm going to have me a V12, you know what I mean?
Yeah. On the way.
On the way, man.
On the way.
On the way.
You want to talk a little bit about your brand?
Yeah. So Evaton is an all-electric transportation company, and currently we're using 2 Tesla Model Y Performances. And we chose the white leather, and we like the Performance because it has the 21-inch wheels and the red Brembo brakes. It just has a nice look to it. And we love the Model Y because it has the clear glass roof. And what we do, we put the suit on. I got the Adidas on right now. We chilling, you know what I'm saying? But I put the suit on, my partner put a suit on, and it's full personal car service. So it's not just a ride, it's full personal car service. Got that suit on, we get the door for you, we got some nice water in the back for you. You know, we take care of your needs. And in this area, you can't get an Uber or a Lyft to the airport that's an hour away. It's a gap in services. So we fill that gap with Evaton at a high level. Yeah, that's what we're doing now.
And where can people reach your company?
Evaton.com. EVUITTON.com, man. You can book us right on that. That's why I always say book us. Evaton.com. Book us.
There you have it.
Yeah. Hey, this is actual smart summons. The thing I like about it is it has cameras on here and you can see what the car sees. So it's not the old summons, it's the new actual smart summons. There it is.
But this is Car Sherrell signing off, and as I always say, stay positive, stay motivated. Flip